Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Alerts to monitor your industry for LinkedIn posts step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Google Alerts in the search bar. Click on the first result, which should take you to the Google Alerts homepage. If you are not already logged into your Google account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address associated with your Google account and click Next. Once logged in, you will see a search bar on the Google Alerts homepage. In the search bar, type in keywords relevant to your industry. For example, if you work in marketing, you might use terms like marketing trends or digital advertising. Below the search bar, you'll find options to customize your alert settings. Click on the Show Options link to reveal more settings. You can choose how often you receive alerts, once a day, once a week, or as they happen. Select the sources you want to monitor, such as news, blogs, or videos. You can also specify the language and region you'd like to focus on. Next, decide how many results you want to receive. Choose between all results or only the best results based on your needs. After adjusting these settings, click on the Create Alert button. Your alert will now be set up, and you'll receive notifications based on your chosen keywords. To manage your alerts, you can return to the Google Alerts homepage at any time. Here, you can edit or delete existing alerts as needed. Now you are equipped to monitor your industry for relevant LinkedIn posts and articles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.